So I'm putting in a new door today. The way you do it is you tip it in, but I'm by myself. So, lucky me, I've got these modern utility helpers. My third hand that will hold the door up while I do what I need to do. These things are pretty nice. This piece here is a safety mechanism. You tighten it up because how you adjust it is through these, thumb thingies, but when this is tightened, it's not going to move on you. So even if you got it, okay? Next, oh, lost it. Where'd it go? There we go. So this raises this. This is your typical pull it, goes down. Here's another safety. If you screw this down, it's going to come down here and this won't be able to move up. If it doesn't move up, it's not going to come down. It's a pretty nice feature. One reason I hate these is once you push it in, if you twist it as you're moving it, it gets lost. You spin around and where is it? Wait. Alright, so there at least I know the general idea of where this is. When you do this, see where to go, where do I find it? But here, if you line it up, eyeball it, at least you have a better chance. See right there. Now, you go down to this one. Yes. So even if I overshot it, you come back, find that line right there. You see that? And then pull it up. Bingo! And there it is. Now I can go on the inside and not worry about the frame and the whole thing falling out. Hey Rex.